dear students. It's me, Asma Jahangir. Today we will go through chapter number 7. Topic is Pakistan since its creation, and we will go through some subtopics including wars between Pakistan and India, in which we will talk about the wars that was held between India and Pakistan on some sort of conflicts, including the wars of 1947 and 1948, Indo-Pak War of 1965, 1971, and Kargil War of 1999. So we will go through all these wars one by one. First war that was held between India and Pakistan, it was basically on the conflict of Kashmir issue. It was held in 1947 and 1948. 1947-1948, Pakistan and India got independence from England. On 1947, United Kingdom lost their power, so both countries got independence. This was called the First Kashmir War. It was fought between Kashmir and Jammu on 1947 to 1948. Here I have differentiated the war between Kashmir and Jammu because these are two parts of Kashmir, one that is contained by Pakistan and the other one is contained by India. The next war which we are going through is the war that was fought between India and Pakistan on 1965. Here you can see in the map the basic areas in which the attack was done by Indian army. They succeeded towards some cities of Pakistan and they wanted to overtook the area of Pakistan, but Pakistani army answered them in a good manner. On August 15, 1965, Indian forces crossed the ceasefire line and launched an attack on Pakistan administered Kashmir, marking an official beginning to the war. Most of the war was fought on land by each country's infantry and armored units with substantial backing from their air forces. Initially, the Indian army met with considerable success in the northern sector, that is Kashmir. After launching a prolonged artillery barrage against Pakistan, India was able to capture three important mountain positions. However, by the end of the month, both sides were on even footing as Pakistan had made progress in areas such as Chitwal, Uri, and Punch. So, Pakistan got success in this war. Next war which we are going through is independence of Bangladesh or the war of 1971. This was the time when East Pakistan was separated from West Pakistan. So here are losses in the war of 1971. Indian army and Pakistani army were having a huge number of losses. So many lives were lost. So many were wounded. Their equipment were lost, and that was destroyed. So here you can see a chart of losses in 1971 war. The last war which we will go through is Kargil War. Its location and background. Kargil is the name of a town. The town of Kargil is located 205 km from Srinagar, facing the northern areas across the line of control. Pakistani Lieutenant General Shahid Aziz and then head of ISI analysis wing has confirmed there were no Mujahideen but only regular Pakistani army soldiers who took part in the Kargil war. There were no Mujahideen, only taped wireless messages which fooled no one. Our soldiers were made to occupy barren ridges with handheld weapons and ammunition. So you can say the Kargil War was a conflict between the armies of both countries. Some analysts believe that the blueprint of attack was reactivated soon after Pervez Musharraf was appointed Chief of Army Staff in October 1998. And this was the time when Nawaz Sharif was ruling over the country, and after um, reactivation, Pervez Musharraf took over the charge of president. Yes, here is the location of Kargil. You can see it is located over here. So this was the main point on which this war was started. This was LOC, border of LOC, from where Pakistani and Indian armies conflict was started, and later on it was spreaded with the war. The Kargil War was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian operation to clear the Kargil sector. So we call it Kargil War, but Indians called it as Operation Vijay, and it was an operation which was conducted to clear the Kargil sector. Here is a history of all the conflicts that was held between India and Pakistan. You can go through it. The year's peace processes and results are given over here. First war that was conducted between India and Pakistan was Kashmir War, that was fought in 1947 till 1948, and peace process was ceasefire. Indian approaches the UN for a solution. Result Results में ये था कि UN resolution appoints a commission, but neither India nor Pakistan carry out its mandate. And mandate was to keep peace and not to fight for the sake of Kashmir. But later on, we can see that so many wars were fought, and they forget this mandate. Then there was a little conflict again in 1951's war that was um, resolved by peace process through Nehru-Ali talks of 1953, and the results were, despite commitments for resolving Kashmir talks, founder once Pakistan signs defense treaty with US. So 1965 Second Kashmir War, it was resolved by Tashkent agreement. Both sides agreed to return to status quo. Then there was 1971 Bangladesh War. It was stopped by Shimla Agreement, and results were release of Pakistani powers, conversion of ceasefire line into the line of control, and agreement to resolve problem bilaterally. So this was a time when line of control was renamed as CFL. CFL was old name of ceasefire line, and it was renamed after LOC. Then in 1987, brass tacks crisis. It was basically a cricket diplomacy leading to secretary level talks on the confidence building and war prevention. So 1988 agreement on non-attack on nuclear facilities signed, and first prime ministerial hotline established. Then we can see that in 1990 there was a compound crisis. Prime Minister of both countries meet during SAARC summit and agree to resume talks at foreign secretary level. Numerous military confidence building measures agreed upon. This culminates in the first round of composite dialogue after 1994. Then in 1998 there was nuclear test, Lahore peace process. Though the Lahore Declaration is signed, limited war soon breaks out with in month in Kargil. So here is 1999 Kargil War. It was resolved by Agra Summit. Talks collapsed without agreement. So in 2001 and 2, border mobilization crisis, peace process, composite dialogue. So these are the basic wars, their years, peace processes, and results. These are basically conflicts that are discussed in detail, but you have to focus on only four major wars, including 1947, 1948, First Kashmir War. Then you have to go through 1965, Second Kashmir War, 1971 Bangladesh War, and the last one 1999 Kargil War. So these four basic wars are huge conflicts between India and Pakistan. You have to make a column on your notebooks just like this, and you will mention only four major wars that was held between India and Pakistan. Here is the timeline of Indian Pakistani history of conflict. These are the conflicts that were held between India and Pakistan. Here is a short history. Before the independence of Pakistan in 1940, a conflict was held and the talks were done, and Pakistan resolution or Lahore resolution was passed. Then on August 1947, Indian and Pakistan independence from Britain, and on October 1947, First Kashmir War was begun. Then you can see in August 1965, Second Kashmir War begins, and on December 1971, Indo-Pakistani War, Bangladesh becomes an independent country. Here you can see in May 1974, Indian Pokhran 1 nuclear test Operation Smiling Buddha was conducted. Then again on July 1989, Kashmiri insurgency begins, and on May 1998, Pakistan and India both were having nuclear test. Indian army was having the test of nuclear on Pokhran. The name of the place is Pokhran, and Pakistani were having a nuclear test on the place of Chagi. So in May 1999, Kargil War was fought between India and Pakistan. Here you can see these are the wars, basically conflicts that was held between India and Pakistani army. So on December 2001, there was also a conflict between India and Pakistan that is called Indian Parliament attack. They thought that Pakistan was behind the attack, so there was a conflict between two nations. Here you can see on February 2007, Samjhota Express bombing was there, and they also blamed that Pakistan is the sole responsible for this attack. On November 2008, there were Mumbai attacks, and again Indian army blame Pakistan for this. Now, I'm giving you a research work, the latest, that is called Pulwama attack. That was held on February 2019. This would be your research work. You will research on Pulwama attack and you have to give me details in a written form. This would be your research work, and this you have to do on a piece of chart paper or on loose sheet. It's up to you. But you have to make the complete chart of this timeline in your neat notebooks. Military casualties during India-Pakistan War. Here are wars along with casualties. In 1948, in India, there were 1104 casualties, and in Pakistan, 1500 soldiers were martyred. In 1965, casualties were 3,264 in India and 3,800 in Pakistan. In the War of Independence of Bangladesh or 1971, there were 3,843 casualties in India and 7,900 people were martyred from Pakistani side. In 99, in India there were 522 casualties, and in Pakistan there were 696 casualties. So this is a graph of casualties during war between India and Pakistan. You have to draw this graph also in your notebooks. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.